Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can fix Discord error 2012 stream fail to start. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. First up, you need to be on Discord. And the first method is just go to your user settings, and right over here you just gotta scroll down until you simply find additional settings or something like that. So right over here you'll see advanced. First you gotta make sure that you copy these settings from my Windows settings, and then you gotta go to streamer mode because sometimes you don't have enabled these settings, but just make sure that you have automatically enable and disable this option. So after that you just gotta go to advanced, and right over here you gotta make sure that you have turned on a hardware acceleration and it's simply turned on. After that, what you need to do is just make sure you restart your PC, and you like turn off your Discord and open it up again and check it. After that you just you need to restart it. So after this method, what you need to do is just simply press on Windows plus R, and you need to type in percent app data percent, and it will take you to something like this. And over here you'll see this Discord cache. What you can do is just simply delete this Discord cache. I don't want to delete it, but if you are having this problem, just simply delete the Discord cache. Now once this is deleted, just make sure that you do not have turned any kind of VPNs or proxy while playing or running Discord. Just make sure that, and just simply turn those VPNs and proxy off, and you're good to go after that. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tool actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.